Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Discourse Online Politics. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the admission in PhD in Law at Mumbai University. Before going to discuss about the admission and procedure here, I would like to make a request to all of you. Please subscribe this channel so that you can get all the notification with respect to admission in PhD, in LLM as well as in LLB. We also make video on important case laws and also important law concepts. So this is a kind of the platform which will help you to get all types of important updates on admissions as well as on the case laws. So please subscribe this channel and then move further towards this video. Now let's see what kind of notification has been issued by the Mumbai University. So Mumbai University has issued a notification which is called as a PET 2022. PET means that is Psd Intense Examination. Now they are inviting applications online for online entrance test. So the entrance test would take place online. Now the links for the admission is already open from 29 July 2022 and it is going to be closed on the 12th August 2022. The last date for the acceptance of application is 12th August 2022. So what is the eligibility criteria for admissions? That has been discussed in the Annexure 1. We will look into that Annexure 1 about the eligibility and the exemptions. Now the fee for the application is here. For general category, they need to pay 1000. For reserve category, that is SC, ST, OBC, they need to pay 500 rupees. The syllabus for this admission is a PG level. That means a kind of subjects which are for Master of Laws that is going to be part of the entrance test syllabus. Now, what are the subjects in which the entrance test or admission is going to take place for PhD? That has been discussed in the Annexure 2. I will discuss about the Annexure 1 and Annexure 2 later on. Before going to discuss Annexure 1 and Annexure 2, let's see some general informations here. All the applications will be taken only online. There is no any offline forms will be accepted. The last date is 12th August. You can apply by the midnight of the 12th August. And there is no any personal communication will take place. So the candidates are advised to refer the university website, that is www.mu.ac.in regularly so that they can get the updates regarding the entrance test here. So therefore you can see this is the way you can see some important informations is given here. Now let's see about the eligibility criteria, and at the last we will look into about the subjects in which the seats are available. Now you can see this is the Annexure 1 which is about the eligibility criteria. Let's see. Here you can see a kind of definition has been given on the different words, like what is the meaning of candidate, research guide and all this. And this is the eligibility criteria for admission to MPhil program. And we need to see about the PhD admission, PhD program. Here you can see a candidate who is having the master's degree and satisfying the criteria stipulated under clause 5 or above, or a candidate who is having the who have cleared the coursework or MPhil with at least 55% marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade to be in the UGC point scale. So therefore what you can see, a candidate who is having a master's degree as well as they are having the a kind of 55% or 50% for reserve category, then in that case they may apply for the admission here for PhD program in law. So therefore you can see this is the kind of ordinance is given here. So the duration is given here. For the MPhil there is a different type of the duration, but we need to focus only about the PhD. So duration of the PhD program shall be a period from the date of admission to the program to the date of admission of the thesis for the degree. So minimum duration would be of 3 years and maximum would be of 6 years. Now this 3 years and 6 years will include also the time of coursework as well. So all these 3 years and 6 years that will cover the coursework as well. So this is the kind of the duration has been discussed for the PhD program in the law. So you can just go to the website of this, you can find here. Now these candidates are going to exempted from the PhD entrance examination. So the candidates who have qualified UGC NET or that kind of the degree they are having, then in that case they are going to be exempted here. Or who are having the MPhil program, so they are also going to be exempted. So what is the structure of this PhD entrance examination? So here you can see the question would be multiple choice based questions of 100 marks. Each question shall be of 1 mark, that means total number of question will be of 100, and the question paper will consist of two sections, section A and section B. So section A shall be common to all subjects in all faculties, while section B shall be subject specific. So basically section A will be about the research methodology and general awareness. On the other side, section B would be about the law subject. So if you are looking for the admission for PhD program in law at Mumbai University and you could not get the UGC NET, then you have to appear for the PhD entrance examination or PhD entrance test. So it would be of having two sections. Section A will be based on the research methodology and general awareness. Section B will be about the law subjects. And you know that already we had discussed that the syllabus would be of the LLM program of the Mumbai University. So therefore you can see here. Now some relaxation would be given to reserve category here, and that is the way you can see. And after this entrance examination, then candidate has to appear for interview. So the candidate will appear for interview, and then candidate has to give the interview for the admission here. So this is the way you can see the admission process has been given here, and thereafter the allocation of research guide will take place. So dear friends, this is the kind of the procedure which you can see for admission in PhD program for law at Mumbai University. The entire things are given here, that how the topic would be approved, what would be the procedure for registration of PhD here, course for PhD, everything has been given here. So just go to the website, you will get this annexure here. Now let's see about the subjects in which the seats are vacant for PhD admissions. Let's see that. Now you can see the subjects which are available here for online test for PET examination 2022, that is annexure 2. You can see in annexure 2 they have discussed about this these faculties or subjects which you can see. So a lot of subjects are given here like African studies, Arabic, biochemistry, botany, French, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, mathematics, forensic science, computer science, physics, but we need to focus mainly for the law. So let's see whether the law subject is here or not. So this is the interdisciplinary studies. Then there is also seat for commerce and management for different branch. And now the law is here. You can see The law is here under the Faculty of Interdisciplinary Studies. So yes, my friends, you can see this is the law subject is here for admission for PhD in law. You can see. So if you are looking for admissions and in case you could not qualify UGC NET, then you can apply here for admission in PhD in program in law. If you are having UGC NET, then you can also apply, but you need not to appear in the entrance test. You have to just go directly for admission for the interview. So therefore you can see we have discussed about the important aspects for the admission in PhD program of law. I hope that you had liked this video. If you are looking for more kind of the notification, please just subscribe this channel and press the bell so that you can get the notification in future. Thank you to everyone for seeing this video. Please give your comments so that we can improve much for having more good videos on this YouTube channel. Thank you.